Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Airbnb profile photo. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your profile picture on Airbnb. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb, then click on your profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Next, click on Account Settings, then click on Personal Information. Now, once you click on your profile on the bottom right-hand corner, click on your profile picture on the upper-hand side, then click on Edit on the top right-hand side, then click on Edit on your photo again. So at this point, you can either select a photo from a library or you can take a new photo. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your Airbnb profile photo. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.